Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix your RPH hook crashing in your GTA 5. So first thing you can do is you try launching regular GTA 5 without the RPH first, and then load your story mode and then wait until you can move your character around in game, and then go back to your desktop without just go back to your desktop and then launch your RPH while the story mode is running and see if that works. Then maybe you need to go to your folder location and find your mods folder. So for example, it's located in here. For example, it is this. Just go to your manage and then click on browse local files, and you'll see that you will be in this folder in here. So just go ahead and go to your mods folder and rename it _mods, and then try to play the game again. Now second thing you can do is you can go to your Windows Defender firewall and see if your Rage plugin hook is in the apps. So just go to your Windows Defender firewall, click on this allow an app or feature to the Windows Defender firewall, and then see if your RPH is in here. Now if it is not, then you should add your RPH here. So just click on change settings. Also your GTA should be in here, and then make sure, for example, this one, make sure it is checked, and then both of them are checked. And then if it isn't, then just go to your file and browse and go to your game folder location. So for example, in here, just go here, and then here, then just find it here. You need to find the exec file of the Rage plugin hook and then add it, and also the exec file for the GTA game. And then just add, click OK. And that's it guys, hope this helps.